Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Exactly 1 year ago I posted my first video on YouTube, and I have to say that it has been a journey with its ups and downs. I had my rough moments and moments when I was overly excited, and even if maybe I didn't reach yet the goals I set for myself, I have to say I'm extremely grateful for all of your support and the fact that I met during this journey plenty of wonderful people, which now I can consider friends. And the only thing in resume is that I'm very grateful I posted that first video, because now I feel happier to know all of you in some way. And since my journey started in Sweden, I wanted today to share with you a Swedish cocktail that is maybe not that popular outside of there. The cocktail is called GETING, and it's relatively simple. Well, it's not relatively simple, it's very simple. We take our glass of choice and we're gonna fill it with ice. Okay, and the drink contains a vodka and banana liqueur, and some recipes calls for 3 parts vodka to 1 part banana liqueur. Other recipes call for 50-50. Personally, I go with the 50-50, so you have slightly more banana flavor. So we go with 1 ounce of vodka, and then 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. And then we're gonna top it up with some ginger ale. Okay. Some recipes call you to garnish it with orange or lemon peel. For me, it is not really necessary, and also doesn't match the ingredients, so I will leave it as it is. And I will just dip a yellow straw, and that is how we make the GETING. Let's give it a taste. Well, it's quite nice because the banana really pop up, and it's since I don't like too much ginger beer, with the ginger ale, which is softer in flavor, combines really nicely with the banana. And I have to say it's quite fruity, quite nice, quite dessert-ish. It's kind of bubbly banana cake or banana bread, but with bubbles. Okay. Yep. I think it's a really nice drink, and I'm glad I shared it with you today. Thank you once again for all of your support. Please keep liking and subscribing, subscribe once. And please, I hope you keep enjoying my videos. Oh my god, it's not my day. I guess I'm overly excited. Anyhow, thank you very much for all of your support, and I hope you keep enjoying my videos. Take care, all of you, and I see you next time. Bye bye.